Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, our topic is carry on, whose name is calculation with brackets. Page number 40 we have completed yesterday. Now we have to start page number 41, and the question number 3 is on page 41. A part of this question is 24 into 14 plus 8 minus 50. By the topic we know that first of all we have to solve the brackets because the topic name is calculation with brackets. So 24 as it is, multiply as it is, 14 plus 8 is 22 minus 15. 24 into 22 is 528 minus 15. After subtraction, answer is 478. This is A part of question number 3 on page number 41. B part is bracket 23 multiplied by 14, then bracket plus, then 12 into 17. First of all, we have to solve the first bracket, which is 23 into 14. After multiplication, answer is 322 plus 12 multiplied by 17. 322 plus 12 into 17 is 204. Now we have to add 322 and 204, which is 526. Seventy multiplied by 72 divided by 607 minus 595. 70 into 72 is 5040 divided by 607 minus 595 as it is. $5,040 divided by 607 minus 595 is 12. Now we have to divide 5040 with 12. Answer is 420. 26 plus 86. 6 and 6 12. 8 to 10 and 1 11 plus 35 into 8. 112 plus 35 into 8 is 280. 2 plus 0, 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Final answer is 392. Three 51 divided by 3, answer is 117 plus 142 minus 85. 1170 as it is plus 142 minus 85 is 57. Seven 14, 1 carry, 5 and 1 6 and 1 7, 1 as it is. 174 is the final answer of E part, question number 3 on page number 41. Two 43 plus 172 plus 278 is 450 divided by 25. Now we have to divide first 450 divided by 25. 243 as it is plus 450 divided by 25 is 18. And finally we have to add 243 with 18. 8 and 3 11, 1 carry, 4 and 1 5, 1 6, 2 as it is. 261 is the final answer of F part. Question number 4 on page number 41. A part is 1000 minus 7 into bracket 18 into 7. First of all, we have to solve the bracket. 1000 as it is minus 7 as it is, multiply as it is. 7 8 the 56, 6 5 carry, 7 1 the 7, 7 and 5 12. 126 is the answer of multiplication. Now there are two operations. First one is minus and other one is multiplication. We have to do first multiplication because according to the mass it comes firstly. So 1000 as it is minus 7 6 are 42, 2 4 carry, 7 to the 14, 14 and 4 18 8, 1 carry, 7 1 the 7, 7 and 1 8. 882 is the answer of multiplication. Now 1000 minus 82, answer is 118. Forty-five plus 16 into 137 minus 112. This is B part of question number 4. Forty-five as it is plus 16 as it is into 137 minus 112 is 25. Now 45 as it is plus as it is 16 into 25 is 400. Finally we adding 45 and 400. Final answer is 445. C part is 37 into 25 plus 68 divided by 4. First of all, 37 into 25 is 920 plus as it is 68 divided by 4 as it is. Now 925 as it is plus 68 divided by 4, answer is 17. Now we have to add 925 and 17. 7 plus 5 12. 1 carry, 2 and 1 3, 3 and 1 4, 9 as it is. D part is 28 into 35 minus 185 divided by 5. 28 into 35 is 980 minus 185 divided by 5. 980 minus 185 divided by 5, answer is 37. 980 minus 37 is 943. Five into 128 divided by 47 minus 39. 5 into 128 is 640 divided by 47 minus 39. 640 divided by 47 minus 39 is 8. 640 divided by 8, answer is 80. Last part of this question is 846 divided by 3 plus 114 divided by 6. Eight 46 divided by 3 is 282 plus 114 divided by 6 as it is. Two 82 plus 114 divided by 6, answer is 19. 282 plus 19. 9 into 11, 1 carry, 8 and 1 9, 9 and 1 10, 0. 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3. 301 is the final answer of part F, question number 4 on page number 41. Now moving on page number 42, question number 1 is answer the following questions. A part I have written on the board, which is 110 minus 7 square plus 22 divided by 2. According to BODMAS, first of all brackets, then off means power, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now in this question there is no bracket but the power is given in this question. So first of all we have to solve this. 110 minus 7 square means we have to multiply 7 two times. 7 into 7 is 49 plus 22 divided by 2. Now according to BODMAS, first of all division, 110 as it is minus 49 as it is plus 22 divided by 11 is 11. Now addition, 110 as it is minus 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 5 and 1 6, 60. Now 110 minus 60, answer is 50. In B part, bracket and power both are given, but keep in mind that you can see that power is given inside the bracket, so we have to solve it firstly. 9 as it is, multiply by 8 8 is 64 minus 15. 9 into 64 minus 15 is 49. Now 9 into 41 is 441. In C part, there is no power but a bracket is given. So 5 into 8 as it is minus as it is 17 plus 8 is 25 divided by 5 as it is. Now according to DMAS, first of all division, 5 into 8 as it is minus 25 as 25 divided by 5, answer is 5. Now multiplication, 5 into 8 is 40 minus 5. 40 minus 5 is 35, answer. D part is 3 plus 6 multiplied by 4 to the power 2 plus 6 multiplied by 4, 4 is 16. 3 plus 96 because 16 into 6 is 96. Lastly, 96 plus 3, 99. E part is 3 multiplied by 8 plus 7 square multiplied by 4. 3 into 8 is 24 plus 7 square multiplied by 4. 24 plus, now 7 into 7 is 49 multiplied by 4. 24 as it is plus 4 9 is 36. 3 carry 4 4 is 16 and 3 19 196. 6 plus 4 times 0, 1 carry, 9 and 2, 11, 11 and 1, 12, 2, 1 carry, 2 and 1 and 1, 2. This is E part of question number 1 on page number 42. In that part, 75 divided by 3 as it is plus as it is. 6 into 9 9s are 81. 75 divided by 3 plus 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. Now 75 divided by 3, answer is 25 plus 486. 6 and 5 11 1. 1 carry 8 and 2 10, 10 and 1 11 1. 1 carry 4 plus 1 5. Students, remaining 4 parts you have to do by yourself. These parts are of question number 1 on page number 42. Also note down your diaries. You have to solve question number 3 and 4 on page 41 and question number 1 on page 42 on your NEET copies. Kindly complete your homework every day because these topics will not be repeated after the reopening of school. Now, if you have any query into this lecture, please raise your hand one by one.